Right. Similar question we have here. We have to check whether 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3 are zeros of the polynomial or not. How do we check? We'll substitute this value in the place of x and after solving, tell the answer. We have solved couple of questions. What do we have to do? How do we check it is a zero or not? What substitute? We have to substitute in the values in the place of x after solving. If the answer is 0, then we can say that these are the zeros of polynomial. If the answer is not 0, then it is not a 0. So what are we substituting first? P of 3. P of 3 in the place of x put 3. 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. Right. First priority, I am always telling, first priority should be given to the powers. Power 3, power 2, that has to be solved first. Do not multiply these minus, if minus into minus plus minus like that, don't do it. First to solve the powers. 3 bahar ka 3, this is as it is. 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Minus 27, you know, right? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, like that. Minus 5 as it is, 3 square. 9. Minus 11 3 is 33. Minus 3. 27 3s are 81. 27 3s are 81. Minus 5 9s 45. Minus 33 minus 3. 81 is the plus term. These 3 are minus. Minus 45 minus 33. How much? Minus 78. Minus 78 minus 3. Minus 81. So plus 81 minus 81. Plus 81 minus 81 cancel. The answer is 0. Next. P of minus 1. P of minus 1. We have to substitute minus 1 in the place of x. 3 into minus 1 whole cube minus 5 into minus 1 whole square minus 11 into minus 1 minus 3. Clear? 3 into minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus is there, whole power odd, minus 1. Minus 5 into minus 1 whole square plus 1. So here we did not multiply minus into minus first. That's why I am telling again and again, first priority should be given to power. However, in this case minus into minus can be multiplied because there is no power to 1. Here minus into minus plus. 11 1 is 11. This minus 3 as it is. Clear? So this will become minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3. 4 terms are there. One of the term is plus, remaining 3 terms are minus. Add all the minus. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. Minus 11 plus 11. It is 0. Next step. Here we will have difficulty because that is a fraction. Whenever it is a fraction, be very careful. Next, P of minus 1 by 3. Minus is there, along with that fraction is there. Substitute over here. 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole square. 3 into minus 1, sorry, whole cube. 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3. Clear? We have to solve that and first priority should be given to cubes. Cubes and squares. 3 outside it is as it is. Minus 1 whole. This power 3 should be given to minus 1. This power 3 should be given to 3. This square should be given to minus 1. This square should be given to 3. Right. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. 3 cube is 27. Minus 5 as it is. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 3 square is कर लो और बातें कर लो तुम लोग. कितने बार बोलना आ रहा तुम लोगों को? फरदीन सोहेल तुम लोग कुछ बोल रहा हूँ. 3 square 9. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 3 square is 9. Here minus into minus plus 11 by 3. 11 1 is 11 by 3 minus 3 as it is. This 3 1 is 3. 3 9s are 27. Minus 1 by 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3 by 1. I have already showed this LCM. What will be the LCM? 9. 9 is the LCM. Are we supposed to multiply minus 1 with any number? minus 5, 11, yes, 3, yes, minus 1 as it is, minus 5 as it is, plus 11 into 3. How did we get that? We have to take the LCM term. Again, I've already showed this in long question. Again, I'm telling LCM term we have to take. What is there in the denominator of minus 1? 9 is there. Divide that. 9 by 9 is 1. So basically we are multiplying minus by 1 by 1. Minus 1 into 1 is 1 only. LCM term is 9. What is there in the denominator of 5? 9. 9 by 9 is again 1. So minus 5 should also be multiplied by 1. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5 only. What is the LCM term? 9. What is there in the denominator of 11? 3. 9 divided by 3. We'll get 3. That's why we have to multiply 11 by 3. Now, next LCM term is 9. What is there in the denominator of 3? 1. 9 by 1 is 9. So we have to multiply minus 3 by minus 3 into 9. Clear? LCM I already showed you. I have taken this example also in the long question. Same question we are doing. Right. Minus 1 minus 5 plus 11 3 is 33 minus 3 9s are 27 divided by 9. 3 minus term. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 27. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 27 minus 33. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 27 minus 33. These three terms are minus term. This term is a plus term. 3 minuses together. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 27 minus 33. Minus 33 plus 33 divided by 9. Minus 33 plus 33 0 by 9, which is also 0. So we have substituted all the three values. First, second, and this is a z. These three are the zeros of a polynomial. Similar question I have given you. You guys have to try this. We have to check whether 1 comma minus 1 comma plus 3 are 0 of this polynomial. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Right? You have to check this and let me know. Answer in the comment section and let me know, are these the zeros of polynomial or not. Next model of questions. Exercise 3.2. By looking at the graph, we have to tell how many zeros are there. This might be asked in bits. This kind of questions might be asked in bits. We have to check and tell how many zeros are there. If the graph is there, x axis, y axis. If a graph like this is there, first one, where no zeros. At how many position the graph is cutting the x axis, those many zeros you'll have. This is the x axis. This is the x axis. This is the y axis. Is the graph cutting x axis? No. So you do not have any zeros over there. This is the second graph. Second graph is like this. At how many positions it is cutting the x axis? 1. So it will have only 1 0. How many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Fourth graph is like this. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Fifth graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Next. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. You do not have to consider the y axis. We have to only check at how many position it is cutting the x axis. Those many zeros you will have. Clear? Yes. This is actually the first question from 3.2. 3.2 question number 1 this was. Right. Next we have find the zeros of the polynomial. We have to find the zeros of polynomial. Second question I am taking, second one, p of x. Second question, second bit. Second question, second bit. P of x is nothing but x square plus 5x plus 6. This is to find the zeros. I already told you. Splitting the middle term, factorization, splitting the middle term. What do you have to do? First you have to compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. You have to multiply coefficient of x square and the constant term. Coefficient of x square and constant term. If nothing is there, coefficient, 1. If nothing is there beside x square, it will be 1. 1 into 6. 1 into 6, 6. This 6 you have to check in two factors. Into which table 6 goes. Those two factors we have to add or subtract to get the middle term. Right. So we can 6 goes in. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 plus 3. Plus 5 in the sense plus 2 plus 3. So this is x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Right, while finding the zeros you have to put is equal to 0, but in general for a polynomial there will not be any 0, that will become equation otherwise. So now 4 terms are there. From the first 2 terms, one term will be taken as common. From second 2 terms, one of the term will be taken as common. Right, same you will have for graphs. Graph, one of the very important question, gunshot question it will ask. In order to solve the graphs you should know these values. You know how to solve this. If you do not know, then you won't understand it. Right, from x square into x, what can we take as common? X. If I take x as common, what I'll have here? X plus 2. Right, for example here just by looking at it some people can identify what is common, but if you do not understand, what I tell you, the trick is write the second bracket as it is. What was the first bracket? Write the second same as it is. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Now all you have to do is look at this x and you have to convert this x to 3x. In order to convert this x to 3x, by what number am I supposed to multiply? 3 plus 3. In order to convert the x to 3x, I have to multiply by 3. That's why I am writing 3 over here. If you understood just by looking at it, 3x plus 6, na sir, x is not there, only number is there. Number 3 and 6, it will go in 3 table. If you understand it that way, well and good. If you do not understand, write the second bracket as it is. Look at this term. This term should be converted to 3x. By what number are we supposed to multiply? 3. Right. So 4 numbers got reduced to 2 terms. This is the first term, this is the second term. What is common in both the terms? X plus 2. If I take x plus 2 as common, what is remained here? X plus 3. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Split this. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 2 transferred over there, it will become minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 3. This way we can find the zeros of a polynomial. Clear? Few more questions we have here. Let us solve this. X square minus x minus 6. Next question is x square minus x minus 6. What is the coefficient of x square? 1. What is the constant term? 6. 1 6 is 6. We have to find 6 again in two numbers such a way that it should become minus 1. Minus x in the sense minus 1. 6 goes in 2. 2 3s are 6. But we have to get a minus 1. Minus 1 is plus 2 minus 3. Clear? Plus 2 minus 3. Coefficient of x square and constant term we have multiplied. We got 6. We found out the factors of 6. Factors of 6. 6 goes in 2 3. 2 3s are 6. So 2 and 3 plus 2 and minus 3 will give us minus x. So it is x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. What is common in both the terms? X. If I take x as common, I will have x plus 2. From the second term, if you know directly, well and good. If you do not know, you write bracket same. X plus 2 as it is equal to 0. I have to convert x as minus 3x. x से minus 3x बनाना है. किसे multiply करना? Minus 3 से. एक बार check कर लो. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6. Now 4 terms got reduced to 2 terms. What is the common here? X plus 2. If I take x plus 2 common, I'll have x minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 3. Minus 3 is transferred that side, it will become plus 3. Next, x square minus 4x plus 3. One last question of this type. After this, we'll move on to the next question. Coefficient of x square 1. Constant term 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 goes in which table? Only 3. 1 table or 3 table? 3 1 is 3 or 1 3 is 3. We have to get minus 4. Minus 4 also minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 will give us minus 4. That's why ये minus 4 को we are writing minus 3x minus 1x. X square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3 is equal to 0. From the first and second term, x is taken as common. X गया तो क्या बचेगा? X minus 3. Second term we do not know. What do we write? X minus 3 as it is equal to 0. Right. अब ये x को minus 1x बनाना है. X should be converted to minus 1x. By what number we have to multiply? -1 x पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव बनाना है तो माइनस आना ही आना, x को 1x बनाना है 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना, होना है तो चेक करो, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस, 1 इंटू एक्स 1x, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, 1 3 is 3. So just by looking at it, in some cases you will get confused, minus आना plus आना common, that's why my suggestion is to write the same bracket one more time. This first term should be converted at like this. How do we do? वहाँ सोचो, थोड़ा समझ आएगा. Next, x minus 3 can be taken as common. If I take x minus 3 common, I'll have x minus 1 is equal to 0. x minus 3 is equal to 0. x minus 1 is equal to 0. x is equal to 3. x is equal to 1. Clear? This way we have to find the roots. We have to find the roots of the polynomial. Understand? Understanding? Yes, no, maybe. We have to find the roots. Similar form of question. Erase kar do. Fourth bit from the second question. X power 4 minus 16. X power 4 minus 16. ये भी रेस कर लो. बस. अंदर के रेस कर लो. अरे वो नहीं. ठीक है चल. कोई बात. Second question, fourth bit. We have to find the zeros or roots of this polynomial. अच्छा. Just by looking at it, we can tell how many zeros we'll have for this polynomial. 4. जितना डिग्री रहा, those many zeros will have, right? So degree is 4. अब 4 zeros आना इसको. You know this formula a square minus b square? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. अच्छा, ये formula में if we have to use this formula, first of all you should have a square. Square से ना दोनों तरफ. E square there 2 power 4. No, wrong. First you have to know the square numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square 25. ये पूरे तो मानो ना. 5 square 25 6 36 वैसा, राइट. तो अब देखो, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस, y square minus 225, y square minus 225, y square as it is. 225 किसका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है? 15. 225 can be written as 15 square. This we converted to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is the value of a? Y. What is the value of b? 15. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Its value is a plus b into a minus b. In the place of a you have y, in the place of b you have 15. y plus 15 into y minus 15. y plus 15 into y minus 15. ऐसा ये कर सकते हैं. Next, for example, is equal to 0 बाद में further you can solve it. I'm just showing how to identify that one. For example, if I have y power 6 minus 81, y power 6 minus 81, क्या करेंगे? In order to get into this formula, इधर क्या भी रहने दो, पावर में तो 2 आना मैंडेटरी है. पावर में 2 आना तो ही वो फॉर्मूला लग सकता. तो पावर में 2 आई एम ऑलरेडी राइटिंग. माइनस 81 कैन बी रिटन एज 9 स्क्वायर. अब मसला है y पावर 6 को कैसे कन्वर्ट करें. y पावर 6 कैन बी कन्वर्टेड एज y पावर 3, y पावर 3 होल पावर 2. a पावर m होल पावर n के फॉर्मूला में 3 2 are 6 इट विल बिकम नो. दैट्स व्हाई होल स्क्वायर है तो पावर 3 आना. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करे तो 6 आता, 3 से. दैट्स व्हाई इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. अभी a की जगह पे व्हाट डू वी हैव? If you remove 2 and 2 here, in the place of a you have y cube, in the place of b you have 9. Clear? x power 10 minus 25, x power 10 minus 25. x power 10 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? x power 5 whole power 2 minus 5 square. Right. This is in the form of again a square minus b square. Square square remove करो. a की जगह क्या है? b की जगह. समझ आ गया? Now come to this question. x power 4, x square whole square, x square whole square minus 16 can be written as 4 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Its formula is a plus b into a minus b. What do you have in the place of a? A write it here. a is equal to x square, b is equal to 4. a की जगह x square है, b की जगह 4 है. Let us substitute it over here. a plus b, x square plus 4, a minus b, x square minus 4. क्लियर है यहां तक? राइट. अभी आगे क्या कर सकते हैं सोचो, दिमाग लगाओ. है तो अगर स्क्वायर उधर इधर जाता ही नहीं किधर भी, इज इक्वल टू 0, ठीक है। सेकेंड नो 2 पावर 2, वेरी गुड, दैट इज द राइट आंसर। ये एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 को वी कैन नॉट एक्सपैंड इट फर्दर, दिस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4 कैन बी एक्सपैंडेबल, this x square plus 4 will remain as it is, this x square minus 4 can written as 2 square, x square minus 2 square is equal to 0, this again became a square minus b square, एक और बार a plus b into a minus b लगाना पड़े यहाँ पर, x square plus 4 this is as it is, this will become x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, समझ आया? This is in the form of a square minus b square, in the place of x you have, in the place of a you have x, in the place of b you have 2, a plus b x plus 2 a minus b x minus 2 is equal to 0। अब is equal to 0 सबको स्प्लिट कर दो, is equal to 0 सबको स्प्लिट कर दो। फ्रॉम हियर यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज, ठीक है। एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4 को आगे एक्सटेंड कर रहे, एक्स प्लस 4 को एक्सपेंड नहीं कर रहे, वो डाउट है ना। ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर है फॉर्मूला, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर नहीं है फॉर्मूला। अगर मैं इफ आई राइट 4 स्क्वायर एज 2 स्क्वायर, दोनों के बीच में प्लस है तो फॉर्मूला लगा नहीं सकते, इसलिए इन्हें आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा, जबकि इन्हें आगे बढ़ जा रहा। कहीं बोलते दोनों के बीच में माइनस है, एक्स स्क्वायर है, 4 को अपन 2 स्क्वायर की तरह लिख सकते। आया समझ? अगर समझदार है तो आ जाता, न्याय हो तो समझ जाओ तुम लोग क्या है। एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0, इज इक्वल टू 0 सबको दे देंगे। एक्स प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 एक्स प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, एक्स माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, राइट। एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 वहां गया तो माइनस 4, स्क्वायर विल बिकम रूट माइनस प्लस और माइनस रूट, कभी भी याद रख लो। स्क्वायर वहां जाने के बाद क्या बनता, प्लस और माइनस, वन वैल्यू विल बी प्लस, वन वैल्यू विल बी माइनस, राइट। x plus 2 is transferred, it will become minus 2 is transferred, it will become plus 2. So value of x are 4 values का क्या है इसके बोले तो plus root minus 4 minus root minus 4 minus 2 plus 2. These are the plus, इसके प्लस और माइनस लिखे थे ना, दो बार अलग अलग स्प्लिट कर दिया, एक बार प्लस है एक बार माइनस, 1 minus 2 1 plus 2। रूट का समझ में नहीं आया। स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0 है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0 फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट। तो इसका आंसर क्या बन जाता मालूम, एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 हो जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3, स्क्वायर वहां भी जाने से अंडर रूट प्लस और माइनस, स्क्वायर उधर भी जाए तो एवरी टाइम इट विल बी प्लस और माइनस, इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस विल रिमूव माइनस, most of the cases will remove minus। quadratic equation solve करने के बाद you will get to know why are we removing minus, mean most of the cases x will be some distance negative नहीं हो सकता, time negative नहीं हो सकता, x को अपन basically distance time वगैरह consider करके चलते, those won't be negative, that's why we neglect the negative value and directly take the positive value। however x square के दो values आते हैं, square if we transfer over there it will become x is equal to plus or minus root minus 3। square इधर आके root बनता तो बनता मगर साथ में plus और minus आता, एक बार plus एक बार minus, that is what here -4, ठीक है। हाँ ये वाला प्लस और माइनस रूट 3 है ना, एक बार प्लस एक बार माइनस लेना, माइनस रूट -4, हाँ रूट के अंदर तो -4 है, प्लस रूट, हाँ पॉजिटिव है ना ऊपर, नहीं मल्टीप्लाई होता बोल रहे, माइनस टू माइनस मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते बोल रहे, या अंदर भी प्लस आना बोल रहे, अंदर प्लस नहीं आता, रूट के अंदर की वैल्यू तो इट विल बी सेम, प्लस और माइनस विल बी देयर टू द आउटसाइड, अंदर प्लस और अंदर का साइन चेंज नहीं होता। एक्चुअली दैट्स अ इमेजिनरी नंबर, रूट के अंदर माइनस नहीं आता, आई स्क्वायर लगाना इंटर में पढ़ते तुम लोग, यहाँ के लिए इतना बस है, रूट के अंदर अपना साइन से छेड़खानी नहीं कर सकते, रूट के अंदर साइन छेड़खानी करना है तो इमेजिनरी आई स्क्वायर लगाना, आयोटा बोलते हैं उसको, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स में आता हो। क्लियर? बस यहाँ पर तक रोक 24।